your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is continued powered by World Sports Betting. It is in times of 0-0. It's Esperance de Tunis nil, Mamelodi Sundowns nil. Sundowns go through on aggregate score by a goal to nil. Yafaka ubumnyameni team home. La VAR moment we keep on looking at it. Say, we don't believe that this was offside, but then we don't have the technology. It's not line. Abantu abaneline ngabantu abajonge screen ku VAR. But anyhow, well done to Sundowns. I don't know how they managed to pull that off at the home team stadium. But yeah, it does look very dodgy because if Esperance scores that goal, which they did, this match goes to extra time. But however, on the balance of the game though, Mamelodi Sundowns do deserve to go through. They'll play Al Ahly in the semi-finals, not for the first time meeting in the CAF Champions League. Junior Kanya, our analyst, just your summary of the game, sir, and that VAR goal. Yes, sir.
Buliseo Justice.
Just.
Benedict Sovila.
Justify.
Bobo, Olindo Pep.
Yes, sir.
Shane, Ebafetu Winjan, keep on supporting it. TV fighting one, try to fix South African football. Ungulungule Bamchandas like sometimes to dangerous, last number. I know, it was VAR, very what?
Tunisia.
Yeah, I'm about to tell you.
Away from home.
Yeah, no, in the middle of Christopher Mchandas and fit. Ngoba sonke mina mangibheka.
It just looked like a goal.
For me, mina nguleko just kuphendula ngegol. For me, it looks like a goal.
Yeah.
Yeah. For me, it's ibukeka njengegol. Going to the game, I think this team started. It's like umlilo amaphepha. Yabo badlala nge-intensity high abajita without the plan. They don't have star players in their team. They play as a team. Badlala ngama instructions too much. It's good ukuthi nimamele coach, but such game manje ngalawa mangabe nithola abantu pound to pound a match, you need special players, individual. So they don't have special players in their team. Baqale nge-intensity high, badlala nge-speed. Ngibonile player abo most beba overload side laka left. Coach idlala nga both right forward and left forward. Ama-player udlala ngama-player akumele afaka ama-cross it's like in swingers. Play idlala ka left, idlala ngo right. Play idlala ka right, idlala ngo left. Brazilian. And well done to Ronwen, good abe alert. Sundowns, I think, well done in terms of, I think we're sacrificing it today. They left to shadow him alone. Bebam isolate him cheetah. Mbonido Salis Bega drop too much in the middle. And also Repero. Bebana this thing. The best way to defend is to keep the ball. It's just that I believe if a coach Renas was gonna get the goal. It doesn't work in other games, but in today's game, these guys, the way they are defending, bebazol chori goal. To stretch it defense, because of midfielders with Sundowns. I think first half, what shot on target, not much.
Yeah, from both teams.
Both teams, not much. Because of the game, we have center, both teams, people center. Or IH of Epochs both Amapox issue. This team, the good team, I believe in Gulego. Bebadlala home. They don't have equality to bebangadlali njenge team engathi iluzile
they're going from behind.
No. Yeah. I'm not too sure it's I think a lack of quality.
I need to ask you this as a former.
It's a lack of quality.
As a former player, I need to get it from you.
Yeah.
Udinga coach akuchazele ukuthi you guys nisejiving. Nina ningabadlali. Do you need a coach to remind you that anazi nina ukuthi nisejiving, you are 1-0 down, because you come into this game, you are at home, you are 1-0 down. Even if a coach akutshela ukuthi as let's be cautious in the first 10 minutes. Nina ningamajita as players. Don't you have le krach yokuthi gents, we are 1-0 down here. So we can't allow Sundowns. Let's go for it.
Abantu abadala laba mfethu. You don't need to be motivated by the coach. Football priority. Span I mean, you know very well, by the tournament, they won it, if not mistaken, twice.
They went to the final last year.
Yes, and they won it twice, if not mistaken.
Maybe with history. I'm sure they've won it in history.
Yeah, and now they went to the final as well, as we said. Playing, but it's like they were playing away. They were playing away. Yes, the crowd make a noise, but the football they are playing is not convincing. Too many wrong decisions. I'm a decision about ends are pitch. Ufagi pole boxing in the box. They don't have numbers. They are tall. I'm not too sure what they were doing. Strategy nje beze ngaso kule game. Not even troubling Sundowns. Not even pressing. Sundowns they're building up. Badlala ngathi badlala home. Kubethwe Premiership. Building up at the back. First 5 minutes they tried to do that. And then Sundowns bathe mababona mabayipress yabachacha. They phela ku Sundowns they move off the ball. And well done, I think strength sabo, they move very well off the ball. And move off the ball is two-step, it's different. And well done to Jaden Adams, well done to Alende, well done to Mkweni, came up a middle. Well done to also Repero Spanili. But ukudlaliso repair according to ukungadlaliso repair according to strength sakhe ungamlimaza mfethu. Coach I know ukuthi today we sacrifice, he wanted him to defend, also phuma ngaye ukuthi ababambele ibhola, create so many fouls, but he risk for me. And I'm sure na Sunday uzomnida kule game ephethwe, which is it can be important dilemma. Sengishela ukuthi going forward to might ku Champions League ukuthi umlose season yonke because uspanile this guy today. So enough, I saw the coach sacrifice Jaden Adams. I think wafaka Obas. Yeah, for me, yazi mina Obas man ngifuna ukwazi. I know ukuthi he's a national player, a national team player. I just want to find out ukuthi in terms of his selection, the coaching I'm complimented. The guy at Sundowns has never changed much in terms of philosophy. For me, changing with Jaden Adams, it's very important to select players like Abu Pili. You know, Miami's pound to pound is more or less the same.
Well, he wasn't looking to attack though.
But it's risky. It's risky to play that way. I know good Nabegatali chess. We game tactical too much, but Sundowns what I love from them. They've never relied on my tactics. They rely on to just keep the ball. The best way to defend the Aspangan ball. Well done, technically accurate with passes, movement of the ball. Well done. They play like game. Badlala home first half. Second half, panic I pitch. Ulunga losing that ball. You cannot pass the ball inside and then run. Ungagaboni ukuthi ball lifikile ku teammate yakho. And then the ball mabalithatha both Suarez and Lunga for me. But defend wrong. I know umuntu might argue ukuthi this guy is a left center back or Suarez way bekumela pick, but on the wrong side of defending. You cannot leave the striker behind you. Noma ngabe udefender ka left, you can't do that. Udlala ka left, just be in front of this guy. Boy two no Grant. Do Grant I know ukuthi yes omunye ngoba ibhola lika left bekumela be sweeper, but both of them they are wrong. For me, because Suarez yena noma ngabe ulungu uphethe ibhola bekumela amsupport coming on the big kuzoba easy ukuthi abone ne opponent yakhe. So I think sometimes they were lucky not to lela bola for me. I think I'm not too sure na my mangibheka VR ngiyabona ababhizi kubo slow mo ngibone na usibonise it's a goal for me. I don't see offside there for me. Yes, true. And sekona baqala ukuphenika ke Sundowns. The game I think was dead. Already I think this guy nabo psychological ngalela goal ukuthi bangalivumi. Into besabayenza the way bayenza vice versa nje. They never how many shots on target in yes. Coming on the left-hand side, by a sideways, crossing the ball, Ronan always alert. But the game first half, for me, sometimes I think he repeated. This guy, they were supposed to score. If they were win the game, dominate first half and score the goal. But creating has so many chances here. And then they never, in terms of combination, sometimes they were better. And then when they were playing home, they create a chance, make a combination. Not much of combination. And Salas and Fulgum compliment as well, first half. He did very well, the guy. The more he plays, he becomes better. There's movement of the ball. It's just a little fair Nepal, but the coaching, we are born coach. Jobangishoba isolate to say Ushalini. The guy made a drop in the middle field. About keep telepola. Very dynamic player. You understand? A bit tall but dynamic and uber better. The moment Mugeleni good first touch from him. When the first touch better than other players, he hardly lose the ball. And decision making, well done to him.
All right. I wanted to wrap it up. It's almost midnight. Sundowns play Al Ahly next game. I'm not going to ask you about that game. But they're in the semi-finals, they're going to go to the final. Do you look at them and do you trust them? Mawibhekile Sundowns uyayitemba na.
Yeah, mina ngithi ngichinje mfethu i-statements sami. I don't think they will win Champions League. Going to Al Ahly kula indlela abayophela khona for me on the semi-final. I don't think they will go to the final.
Have you seen Al Ahly? Do you trust Al Ahly to beat Sundowns?
I saw game won. They're not a good side. But very aggressive. They've got a character. And playing away from them, away, kula uzoba ne problem. They can come here, but create these fouls and stuff. Sundowns probably here at home they can win 1-0, but it's possible with Al-Ahly or 1-0 away, or even 2. It can go to penalties, but me and Zosho just with a rapper. Not in terms of football, but they know how to win this tournament. They know how to win this tournament. They've got players, not a good team, in terms of playing better, but they know how to win this tournament.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That was Esperance de Tunis against Mamelodi Sundowns. We would have been still here. It looks dodgy, that VAR, but it's very difficult to argue against a line that is drawn. But still, our eyes don't lie to us. They drew the lines to say this one is in front of the other, but you still look like the last player in that moment is a Sundowns player. No complaints anyways from our side because we want the South African teams to do well. But then the complaint or the concern going forward, of course, is that what if they do it to us? You know, the thing that's done to them, what if they do it to us tomorrow and stuff like that? This was my concern since VAR was introduced in the Champions League, is that we can rob other people, but what if those people rob us if we make it normal? I'm not saying Sundowns robbed anyone here. I'm just saying the incompetence of the people. Because you look at it and you're like, no, man, that doesn't look like it's offside. But then I am open to the idea that I don't have the same information they had. Whatever screens they were looking at, it might not be convincing what they showed us, but whatever they were looking at, maybe it convinced them, but it just didn't look like offside to the rest of the world. It didn't look offside. It is Itiski Times, what's sports betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.